I was scammed in this market, guys. I was scammed. ₦500.
Mullet lele 3,000. Eyoko kekere eleyi 2,500.
This 3 for 5,000 naira, guys.
Wanna be free of this heart.
Hi guys, good morning, guys. Yeah, everybody's staring at me because we are late already. It's almost 7 and I'm going to the market. I'm at Ojaba that I used to go to, but this time around I want to go very early so that I can get good deals. So I'm all dressed, and guys, I want to show you this YouTube bag I'm carrying. I'm so happy. They call it waist bag, like so I can put all my cash inside. I know. Am I supposed to carry it like this? Yeah. So thank you, YouTube, for giving us this bag. It's so useful now, especially for my market errands. So yeah, welcome to our market errands vlog. I'll take around everything. I have so many things I want to buy today, so we are going for market errand shopping. Does that make sense? I don't even know. But anyways, guys, yeah, let's go and shop. I'm not supposed to be smiling, no, because you want to go and spend money, you are smiling. I don't know. Let me close my teeth. Hello, Nigerian. Hello, Jale. I have to pay 1,000. 1,000. Ele 6,000. Okay.
Ele 5. Ele 4.
I mú 500 naira yẹn wá.
Mẹ́wàá mo páàkì kìí ṣe márùn.
Mo professional náà nìyẹn. Márùn náà máa ń páàkì.
A máa ń páàkì márùn 200 márùn. Mẹ́wàá dẹ̀ ní méjì mo ṣe síbẹ̀ báyìí.
Ẹ jẹ́ sọ 300.
Mélòó ni kí n mú?
Níbo ni?
Wọ 2,000 ní Sante tí mo tà mú dé láàárọ̀ tí mo wọ́n méjì 3,500 ó kéré. Múlẹ̀tì lélẹ̀ 3,000. Eyoko kékeré eléyìí 2,500. Sante yẹn 2,500. Mélòó? Múlẹ̀tì mélòó? Ẹ wá ẹ̀sọ́ ń tẹ́ fẹ́. Ẹ wá ìgbà yín gé. Ètò máa lọ ń gbà yẹn. Ó yẹ èló ni o. 4,000. Ní ilé kàbí gbogbo ẹ̀.
Irọ́, ẹ̀jẹ̀ fẹ́ yọ kan sí kọjá gbogbo rẹ̀.
Ó yẹ kí máa kó lọ nìyẹn dẹ́yìn.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ fẹ́ yọ kan.
Èló ni jálẹ̀, èló ni jálẹ̀. Èló ni jálẹ̀.
Jálẹ̀.
Kí kí lẹ pé? Ṣé bó ṣe rí dísàlẹ̀ ní ilé bàbá wa? Guys, I've talked and my phone was not recording. That's so painful, but I'll repeat everything. Number one, I said that earlier. Number one, I was scammed in this market, guys. I was scammed. They scammed me, guys. I was scammed. So what happened was, I got there like quite early, like around like to 7. It's not 7. Then we started shopping and buying everything. I got a very good deal for some stuff, but it's not like that video I did. Things were not that much this time around compared to that time. Number one, they said fasting time is coming. Number two, maybe we have season of something. Maybe then we were in that season of pepper. That was how I was able to get that deal then. But now it wasn't like that. And also the Oloko were not around. So maybe it's a thing. It's not like a regular something. Maybe it has a particular day that they used to do the oloko something. I don't even know the meaning of oloko. Oloko is farmers market. So I did not see any farmers there today. It was just people that used to buy from farmers that were there already. So, but I sure did my shopping. No, then I went to go and buy rodo. The man said a bucket of rodo is 8,000 naira. And no, he said 3,500 naira for one bucket. I was okay, fine, no problem. Then I'll buy the bucket. So I gave him the money before collecting the pepper, or before he even poured the pepper. That was the mistake I made, and it's so painful because actually it's actually a lesson for me to know that if you're even watching this, if you want to buy pepper, don't give them money first before collecting it. Like, let them pour, see what they want to pour inside your nylon so that you know what they are pouring. So what happened was, when he poured, like, he was carrying the bucket like this, then he poured, and I was at this side. So I'm so sure that there was something inside that bucket. He turned that bucket away from me so that I would not see what was inside the bucket. So it's like 110 share you get. So it was looking so small. Then he put it inside, and I was like, is that everything? And he said, I was like, okay, I'm not buying again. No, return my money. I've not even collected the pepper from him. That's the funniest. I've not even collected the pepper from him. Then he said he cannot return the pepper. He cannot return it. Like, I was like, Chef Gbowoni, as I don't know why people are so like that. Like, when you are I'm selling something too. If you are not okay with my product, with my services, I will refund. If you are so sure that what you are selling is not scam, and you are in the market, why can't you just refund the money? Just because I'm a JJ, I think that's why. Like, anyways, Sha, I'm angry, and I'm not angry because I know that it's like I've learned another lesson about market errands. Like, we gain every day. Yeah. Number 2, guys. So in the market, everybody was wearing white. I mean, I was even thinking that are they doing party or something? No, why is everybody wearing white? That's where I wanted to buy yam. The lady was like, Ọlọ́run ló sọ pé kẹ́ wọ white wow, pé wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe oro ní inú ọjà, meaning that they want to do what is oro in English? I don't know the English of oro. Oro, you know oro sha, like that traditional something sha, and they want to do it inside the market, that they ask everybody to wear white. That thank God, I mean, I'm wearing white. I would like it to be like a blessing to me or something. Guys, immediately I heard that one bear bobo. Immediately I was like rush and buy everything because my eyes will not see bad, my ear will not hear bad, my mouth will not speak evil. All they used to say that thing. So I rushed everything so that I couldn't even vlog everything because I was like, this oro of a thing, I don't know how, you know, all these things, it is so fetish to me. I don't believe in all these things. And yeah, so that's all about my market errand. I'll show you guys. Okay, this is part 1 of my market errand because I still have to buy some stuffs. My list are still very long, guys. Can you see my long list? So it's still very long. This is just the ata, pepper, ewedu, and the likes. So I have to buy provisions, my baby's milk, and everything. So that's the next thing I want to go and buy now. My second stop is Zatek, and we are there right now. Yeah, let me just get up. Guys, I just got back and I have to change my shirt so I can carry her. She was actually with me all through in the car, so I won't show you where I go, but I don't know, maybe I will try and feed her first. Hey, mama. Guys, so I just got back from the market and I want to show you where I go. Guys, these are very expensive. I don't even know where we're going in this country, but let me just show you what I got. So I this tomato, this bucket of tomato. I got rodo. It's like buckets, but guys, see what I said. This is so small. They sell this for me for buckets, and this is 3,500 naira. I got this tantashe also for 4,000 naira. I got these onions for 2,500 naira. This bucket of okra for 800 naira. This 500 naira. 500 naira. Smoked fish 1000 naira. And I got this pomo for 1200 naira. I got this fish, the name of the fish. This 3 for 5000 naira, guys. I got all this for 2000 naira. Guys, this is a lot. Like, this is a lot. Even though I did not get good deals this time around, but still I tried. So this yam is 3000 naira. One is 1000 naira, I guess. One I got, I went to Zapek and I got this chicken. I think this is called chicken legs. I got chicken legs and drumstick. I got this. I think this is like 20,000 plus. I don't know the exact figure. 20 plus, so like maybe 21 or so for these two. I'm going to arrange this and I'll show you the next one. Like. So guys, these are all I got for probably the month or the week, but let's see how it goes. Some will actually last more than weeks, like maybe the diaper will last more than a month. I hope so. But that's that. Yeah, so this is the end of my market errands, guys. Yeah, what do I want to say, guys? Things are very, I think, let me climb something. But guys, things are very expensive. My baby's milk used to be 2,900 naira before, and now it's around 4,600. So that's like almost times 2 of it. That's a lot. Like, that's like the way it's doubled. Like, that's a lot. And also, guys, yeah, things are still very much expensive in Nigeria. Like, things are not getting better. We don't even know when we'll go back to our previous so we don't know when we're going to go back to our previous prices. I'm here to buy so many other things like eggs. I know some petty things I still have to buy. But guys, seriously, yeah, my baby is crying. This is going to be the end of this video, guys. I hope you like this video and you find it inspiring or helpful in one way or the other. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.